Welcome back. Now you can also capture the live action on your screen, and you can do that with or without your webcam. So for example, one of the things we can do is we can capture the screen without our webcam, and we can turn off the webcam by toggling it off. We can toggle our screen back on. Within the current version of Camtasia, if you are using multiple screens, you can choose the screen where you want to capture the live action. So for example, we can choose the screen where we want to capture the information. And we're going to switch the screen from the one that we're looking at presently to a different screen. Within the record window, you're going to see the capture dimensions. In this case, we're capturing the screen at 1920 by 1080 pixels, and you're going to see a preview of the screen that you are capturing. And when you are ready to capture what you want to see on that individual screen, you can hit the record button. Now once again, you would actually hit the F9 button when you wanted to start recording and the F10 button when you wanted to complete the recording. However, because we're using two versions of Camtasia on the same personal computer and within the same recording, we're going to need to click this record button. Now once you hit the record button, what you're actually doing is recording what's on the screen in live action as you go through it. What you're then going to do is click the F10 button. That will complete the recording, and then the recording will automatically integrate into your editing screen. You'll then see the new portion of your recording here in your clip bin inside of your editing screen. Now if you had chosen to include your webcam, you're going to see a different kind of clip here in your clip bin that includes the camera in a portion of your screen. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.